Hello everybody, we are off on one of our weekend overnight excursions. Tonight we decided we'd go to Mount Gilead State Park in Mount Gilead, Ohio, and check it out and see what it has up there. So let's get up the road and check it out.
Okay, here we arrive at Mount Gilead State Park. We just drove past the drive-in. So we'll turn around and go back.
Well, we got here and we got the everything set up, and it started to rain. So it rained for quite a while, pretty heavy. Here's the fire ring. Still got a little bit of water around it. It was a river earlier, and we've got the old tabletop grill out cooking, trying to get some food done before the next round comes in. Camping update. Well, we've had severe storms go through the area here at the campground, so things have turned around here a little different. The campground currently has no power. We were in the middle of doing dinner, and so we've had to stop and back up and reconfigure. Luckily, I brought the Alpi-Cool to put everything in because I didn't have time to get the refrigerator cooled down for us to come up here. I was able to get the meat cooked outside on the grill, and now we're using the cook stove and we're cooking the sweet corn because, like I said, we got no electric, so we have no microwave. So here is the feast. We finally got it done, and we're going to have watermelon here soon. It's kind of fun to walk through the campground when the electric goes off. You hear the subtle little hums of everybody's generators going off. Well, looky there. Since it rained and we're wet, we decided we would start a fire in the old Blue Sky fire pit and warm up and dry things off a little bit. Okay, we're packed up and we're ready to head out. Of course, it started to rain again. Sometimes you have a nice weekend, sometimes you don't. This weekend was actually, despite the rain, was a pretty good weekend. The electric did come back on eventually, so we're gonna head out of here and go home and wait for the next adventure.